Behind the noise of progress, there's a silence that must be broken. Millions of animals suffer unseen, trapped in cages, markets, and chains. Their pain echoes, but their voices go unheard. Asia for Animals shatters this silence. We are breaking boundaries, uniting advocates, policymakers, and communities who refuse to look away. For 25 years, we have turned reflection into action. At our conferences, hundreds of organizations unite to strengthen laws and protect animals. Together, we've stood up for animals. But the fight continues. In 2025, we break new ground. Practical workshops, global networking, and strategies that turn ideas into impact. Imagine a world where compassion has no borders, where every cage is empty and every animal's life reflects dignity, not despair. This is the future we are building together. Break boundaries with us. Join the 2025 Asia for Animals conference, where strategies become solutions.